refreshing. At least sakto lang yung ano, yung portion, hindi yung sobrang parang heavy siya, be. She gave me pasalubong from Dubai. Ilang years siguro. This is perfume, guys. That's oh my god, be, ang laki. Hindi siya malaki. Nag-caution. Yun, may cotton candy. Deborah! Wow! Para tayong bata. Oh my. We're in a souvenir shop. Tourist lang. Turista kami. We ordered ramen with chicken breast. So I'm going to meet up my friend in Budapest, and she just came from Dubai, but she's Filipina, so yeah, I'm going to bring you there. So it's gonna be 1 hour drive from my house to go to Budapest. So let's go. I hope it's not traffic around here, because there's a small town that is always traffic because of the roundabout. I just stopped by first in a gasoline station because I'm going to buy coffee and some milk. Let's get going. Cappuccino is here. I bought some chewing gum. Oh, where is it? Here. And water, just in case this is extra water. It's like for baby. Cool. And some chewing gum. Let's go. It's traffic, guys. I'm in Budapest already. Guys, we are here in Budapest. 26. We're going to order na. I'm going to the unboxing. She gave me pasalubong from Dubai. Yeah. Ano yung pusa? Ano yung... And then perfume from Dubai. Parang hindi siya ano. Ayun. Sige nga, buksan natin. Sige. Para naman unboxing ka dyan. Parang wala silang ano dito, yung mga cocktail. Unboxing. Ha? Ito lang yung drinks nila. Nakadito tayo. Lemonade lang ako. Para magkasya sa bag. Ang bigat. Baka malaki po, ah? Hindi, ano, ilang years siguro. This is perfume, guys. That's, oh my god, ang laki. Hindi siya malaki. O, diba? Very Arabic. Very Arabic talaga. Sige, try mo. Uy, mabang ano, diba? Ay, diba? Sabi ko sa'yo eh. It smells good. Love it. Thank you. Here is the menu. Look at that. Hi, Kat. Mga Asian. Ganda, binidyo mo. Ganda. Drink dragon fruit lemonade. Summer drink. How's the drink? It's good, thanks. Cheers. Medyo mahilig ka sa maasim. Medyo maasim. Pero masarap. Refreshing. Ang colorful. Oo nga. It's colorful. Thank you. We have pasta. Seafood pasta. Enjoy! Kain natin. Nakakahilit na isa naman yun. Tigas bakla. Wow! Talaga mo. Sarap. Sarap. At least sakto lang yung ano, yung portion, hindi yung sobrang parang heavy siya, be. Tingnan mo, ang laki ng pasta. Sarap. Sarap. Lagyan mo na ng lemon. Sarap. Sarap. Hilig ka sa pasta? Medyo. Hindi palagi ako. Pero since seafood, natakam ako. Creamy siya. Creamy pasta. Ano siya na yung Vietnamese food house? We're in a souvenir shop. Tourist lang. Turista kami. Maglalakad kami. Lakad-lakad. Maghanap kami ng dessert place. Pagkain na naman. Walang diet. Walang diet ngayon. Yeah, straight. Straight? Straight and ganda. Okay. Taga Norway. Nakita sila dito mag-jowa. Magic place. It's like a Harry Potter theme. Nice. We're just here for dessert. Tapos, love potion. Yun, may cotton candy. Sige.
You watch the Harry Potter?
Yes.
You know magic spell?
No?
Perfect. Now you need to say this together, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Abracadabra! Wow!
Para tayong bata.
Oh my God! Ano daw? Nagpasa tayo. Abracadabra. That's cool. Ayan. Isa pa, isa pa. Hindi pala na. Cheers! Hindi ko pala na. Shopping shop. Mag-shopping ka, Day. Shopping daw, shopping na. Aray ko. Hello friends! We are now in a Japanese restaurant.
Food trip talaga.
Yeah, this is just outside Basilica. Food trip. We ordered ramen with chicken breast.
Mukhang masarap naman.
Mukhang masarap.
Yung ramen.
Authentic ba?